Hi there, Helen here again. In this video, I'm going to explain more about your root chakra. So your root chakra is based at your perineum, which is at the base of your spine. So kind of right round here, your coccyx area. Now, as I explained before, each chakra relates to a different area of our lives, and it processes information about this area. And then it also kind of helps to affect this area in our lives. So the root chakra is primarily about survival and being grounded, so our safety and our security also. So it's kind of about our right to even be here and our right to have things. So around your acceptance of being here on earth. It's also a bit about our connection to earth and nature. So because this chakra is about survival, it also governs like our physical aspect. So how connected we actually are to our physical body, also about our health and our day-to-day needs, such as, you know, we have a need for food, we have a need to be warm, to have shelter. So obviously it can affect issues such as our financial security, our housing situation, but also things like the care we actually take of our bodies, including our diet and exercise. So this chakra is actually really important, as it's where the energy that then works its way up through all our other chakras to make us a fully functioning person starts. So to ignore this chakra and not kind of see it as important as the others, which is really common because we want to focus on more kind of exciting chakras that are to do with our intuition maybe, or our psychic selves, but it actually stops our ability to progress to those chakras. It actually stops that energy moving up anyway. So we really have to see our survival needs are met in a really healthy way. Otherwise that energy will always be drawn back down to our root chakra and we won't succeed. So if you have any kind of weaknesses in the area that I've mentioned, stuff around your health or financial problems, your security, your survival, then you really need to start working on your root chakra. So for all the chakras, colour is a great way to stimulate your chakra. So red is the colour of the root chakra. So you can wear this colour, surround yourself with this colour, you can visualise it, you know, choose red objects, that kind of thing. Paint your nails red, or, you know, whatever you can do. The element of it is earth, so it reflects the element of earth. So being in nature, going outside, having a walk in nature is a really good way. Caring for your body, because again, it's about your health. So exercising whenever you can in whatever way you enjoy to do, and nurturing your body. So having a bath, having a massage, eating a good healthy diet are all great ways. Now there are essential oils that you can also use specifically to stimulate this chakra, and those are frankincense, myrrh, thyme and ylang ylang. So those are both ones, and also in stock as well, as well as those essential oils, we have singing bowls which are actually aligned to our individual chakras. So this is a red one and it has a symbol of the root chakra on it. I'm going to play you for a little bit before we finish, and just listening to that sound as well. Just sit and relax, focus on your root chakra and listen to the sound. I teach meditation. Now meditation is a really beneficial way to help all chakras. It helps to balance all the different chakras together. So you can find out the details from here. You can find out my website. You can join online classes or one in your local area, or you can even have a one-to-one session with me, which will be really beneficial for all your chakras. So get in touch if you need some more information. And I'm going to finish by playing you this root chakra bowl. Thank you.